Good afternoon, everyone. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of person spread in all the directions. A very good afternoon. Myself, Rakshanda Jhangda, DPC of Food Tech Department, GJU Hisar. I would like to welcome respected invited guests, professors, students here on the platform of last day of 1 week online faculty development program on skill development for employability and entrepreneurship, presented by Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jambheshwar University of Science and Technology, Hisar, and sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education. Moving forward, I would like to call upon overall placement coordinator of Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jambheshwar University, Hisar. Yes, sir.
I'll be coming first. Invite me first.
Yes, sir. I would like to invite Assistant Director of Training and Placement Cell of Guru Jambheshwar University, Hisar, Mr. Aditya Veer Singh, sir, for welcoming Nitya.
Okay. Thank you, Rakshanda. A warm welcome to today's chief guest, our worthy registrar, Professor Avnish Verma-ji, to the FDP coordinator, Professor Sandeep Arya-ji, to our director, Shri Pratap Singh Malik-ji, and all the participants, faculties, and the students who have joined this 1 week faculty development program sponsored by AICTE. So I hope this program has been fruitful for all the participants, whether it is a faculty or it is a student. And because there was a very diversity of the speakers, we had the speakers from entrepreneurs, we had speakers from startups, top companies, and then we have two speakers, the professor also in some big organization. So I think a lot of participants must have benefited out of it, and I hope they will try to use these knowledge which has been given by them in their future endeavors, and they will also share with their colleagues and all. So a warm welcome to all of them in this the validatory function of 1 week AICTE sponsored FDP program. Thank you. Now let's move further, and I would like to call Nitya Chugh, the program volunteer of this FDP and also the overall placement coordinator of the Guru Jambheshwar University. Over to Nitya.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope I'm clearly audible to you all. And due to some unavoidable reasons, I am unable to make my camera on. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nitya, overall placement coordinator from Training and Placement Cell, and I would like to welcome our worthy registrar, sir, very first, Professor Avnish Verma-ji, for the validatory function on our 1 week faculty development program over skill development for employability and entrepreneurship. So it was a 6-day program that I would like to conclude within 5 to 10 minutes. So the very first day we had, every day we were having 3 sessions, and on the very first day we had our speakers, Mr. Puneet Raman, Dr. Gori Prabhu, and Mr. Rupendra Khera. They talked about the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, the idea conceptualization, and entrepreneurial mindset. Along with, he was talking about the success stories of famous startups, in which he added like how Airbnb started their work from a single room to like a huge company. Moreover, he added like how Instagram is growing vastly along with the Angry Bird game, Snapchat, LinkedIn. He added all the things that an entrepreneur should have. Moreover, on the very second day, we were having our 3 speakers, Dr. Chitra, Shri Jagatjeet Singh, and Shri Om Puran. They discussed the topic like anticipating and avoiding the entrepreneurial pitfalls. Learning is very important for earning. Moreover, financial supporting options for entrepreneurs, and apprise the students about various government schemes like that were really very beneficial, like how NSDC is working. Moreover, how Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, everything they discussed was really fruitful. Shri Om Puran discussed about the marketing and social media management along with the platforms of digital marketing and techniques to increase the viewership of websites of startups. And on the day 3rd, we were having like employability day. Day 3rd was employability day, and we had Mr. Nitin Goel, CEO at Repository Technologies, along with Miss Reena Yadav. I must say she is all-rounder woman. She is a socialist having enough experience, and we were also having Mr. Pankaj Chaudhary from Time. So they discussed about like how students should make their structure, their corporate structure, and what companies are expecting from freshers. They included the thing like how to carry jobs in 3 simple tips like training, internship, and job application. Moreover, he added that an organization specifically needs some freshers from like they should be a software developer, engineer, designer, social media executive, DevOps professional, and network administration. He added like which skills should be learned, how to learn the skills. And Miss Reena Yadav was telling about sport, goal achievement, empathy, problem solving, time management. These were the things that were leading us towards the employability, like how we should work in a corporate sector, what are the skills that are required in a corporate sector. Along with session 3rd, I must say, was no less than a बोलते हैं ना कि चमत्कार ही था. Like everyone should learn an aptitude thing, aptitude development, mathematics, number game, everything that we are doing in our day-to-day life is related to numbers. And he was so motivational, more than we can say. Like everyone was ready to learn different things. Students were keenly taking part, and he was from Time, Mr. Pankaj Chaudhary. And on day 4th, we were having Miss Manjula Sularia, the women entrepreneur. Josh talks. She told us about like gestures that we should perform, how to take some personal spaces, how to behave, how does skin tone even matters in a corporate sector. So these things, like these minor things, are usually ignored in our daily life. But the way this session was helping students, this session was helping faculties, was very, very, very appreciative. And then we have Mr. Dinesh Nagpal, who added like how a student should create their own resumes. Like creating a resume, I must say ki it is a difficult thing, because every time we are creating a resume is creating a mess. I'm personally talking about me. Every time I need to apply for some company, मुझे कहीं ना कहीं नया resume setup करना पड़ता. So that is a little typical thing for me. So Mr. Dinesh Nagpal made it very clear that every time you people are applying for any post, you must have some job requirements, and then you have to work over your resumes, because posting different resume for different positions is really, really appreciative. And furthermore, we are having Mr. Sagar Amlani was telling about LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, we all are aware about LinkedIn, like how LinkedIn is playing a very vital role in employability, in entrepreneurship, in placements, in jobs. So if we are even self-employed, even then too we need LinkedIn. So how to use that? Even before that session, I was really hating the application LinkedIn, because I wasn't aware about the user interface. I hated its user interface basically. So Mr. Sagar Amlani made it so easier to use, and the tips he told us about, like he was using a keyword ECG, consistency and groups were included over it. So how to maintain our LinkedIn, how to update the professional, and how to professional picture, how to update the cover photo, what should be the tagline. Each and everything was told to us with minority. Like even small things were noted there. And later on the day 5, we have Dr. Sheel Nidhi Tripathi, the associate HOD at BAJMC at Institute of Advanced Studies, I remember. So she was talking about how to master group discussion skills, that is moreover required in placement times. So she shared the tips like how to collect words for starting a group discussion when you get a topic to prepare on. She also gave every student an activity to perform in order to understand that. So Dr. Sheel Nidhi Tripathi was along with Miss Priyanka ma'am, I could remember, was able to make each and every student understand the three main approaches. Like for topic on group discussion, she included keyword approach and viewpoints parties involved approach, social, political, economic, legal, technology approach. So that was totally interactive session, but all over participants were really keen to learn the things. They were asking questions. So if I would add a bit like suggestion for as a suggestion, it should be offline. Like it would be much far better if it could be offline. And moreover, next speaker we had Dr. Mr. Rituraj Kaushik. He made students learn how to face telephonic, virtual, and face-to-face interviews effectively. So he made students to learn the process of interview and how to face them effectively by starting the session to addressing what effectiveness is. Then he made students understand how to make conversation effective by including points like curiosity, awareness, preparation, efforts, purpose. And he mentioned the reasons like due to which one cannot get into an effective conversation with how to overcome them. He especially mentioned all the tips to follow when facing a telephonic, virtual, face-to-face interview. So the session that we added, we participated like every student was there for 7-day faculty development program. That I must say this workshop is mesmerizing. I couldn't get over it. And moreover, the skills that I have personally learned, that students have learned, are definitely going to help us in our placements, in our job sectors, in our entrepreneur life. And now there is a little bit confusion, and I would like to let you all inform. Like I am not sure, like in which field I am going to work over. Either I am going to be an entrepreneur, and either I am going for placements. But definitely these things are going to help me a lot, and it has created a confusion for me कि अब मैं बिजनेस वीमेन बन जाऊं या फिर मैं कहीं किसी अच्छे सेक्टर में जॉब करूं. बिकॉज ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ आई हैव एक्सेल्ड द स्किल्स, बट if I'm going to practically work over them, तभी मुझे इन चीजों का पता लग पाएगा. So I would request all the students to please work over the skills. क्योंकि अगर देखिए आपने वर्कशॉप में सीखा है, you have learned lot of things, लेकिन अगर आप इन पे वर्कआउट नहीं करेंगे, then this is a waste of time for us also, because हम लोगों ने इतनी मेहनत किया, volunteers were doing day and night work. So थोड़ा सा हम लोगों के लिए ही you have to work practically over the same. Thank you so much. Rakshanda.
Thank you, Nitya, for representing overall report for the sessions held. Now I would like to call upon Assistant Director of Training and Placement Cell of Gujranweshwar University, Hisar.
Thank you. Thank you, Rakshanda.
Dr. Aditya Veer Singh, sir, to
Thank you,
welcome
Rakshanda.
Professor
Yeah.
Sandeep Power. Yeah.
Now I would like to call the FDP coordinator of AICT, Dr. Sandeep Arya, sir.
Thank you, Aditya ji. Thank you for inviting. First of all, I am highly grateful that we are having today afternoon our worthy registrar Professor Avnish Verma ji with us as a chief guest of today's valedictory function, and our Deputy Director, Assistant Director Aditya Veer Jaglan ji, and other faculty members, staff members, as well as students, those who are attending this course. A very good afternoon to all of you. I am highly delighted that we are completing 50% of the assigned courses with the help of our team and fellow colleagues, Dr. Aditya Veer ji, Pratap ji, Preeti Prabhakar, and others. Namaskar, sir. Registrar, sir. So,
Good afternoon, sir.
Namaskar, ji, namaskar.
Welcome, sir. So, we welcome you all here on this ceremony of valedictory ceremony of this skill development and employability and further entrepreneurship seminar. 6 days, all have worked a lot, and this type of seminar will definitely help our students as well as fellow colleagues to start their own ventures. In place of job seekers, they will polish their skills. They will be job providers in the days to come, because our Indian students and engineers are working in right direction, and they are paving new vistas, new windows for new entrepreneurship programs. They are thinking of new startups which are coming every month, and the country is growing very fast. And we hope that the technology will further boost up their skills. As a result of this, they will definitely think of a small venture, so that they are not job seekers, rather they are some job providers. So such type of workshop will be further organized in very near future. And here we are also organizing 5 more FDPs in the month of December, January, February. So I request all the participants to please give a wide publicity, so that others may also be benefited with these such type of courses. We are also thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, AICT, our Bharti Registrar, sir, and all my fellow colleagues for supporting us with these words, that our participants must have learned some of the skills, have got some ideas, so that they can further implement that in the near future. With these words, thank you very much. Very good
Thank you.
afternoon.
Thank you, Sandeep sir. Thank you for your valuable blessings and information. Now I would like to call our worthy registrar, Professor Avnish Sharma sir, to say a few words about this program.
Thank you, Aditya ji, for inviting me. Good afternoon, all. Professor Sandeep Pare ji, the coordinator from AICT, Colonel Venkat, dear students, participants. See, I was listening to some of the students because I was online from my mobile earlier. So I think the FDP was helpful for the students, and it was the feedback, whatever the feedback they were giving is very wonderful, because they have a different kind of feeling. During their study, they have gone for FDP and has experience for the entrepreneurs in future. And if they are thinking for the startup to be launched in the near future, it is a great feeling for us, because our mission has been accomplished up to a level. May not be 100% students would have launched a startup or a company in the days to come. But if 50% of the students or 40% of the students are thinking in this direction, then the FDP task has been accomplished somehow. I would like to listen from the students now, that how much they have got, and what is their planning. Those, how many students are there who are willing to set up, or willing to or thinking for the entrepreneurship?
So I request the students who want to give their feedback, and they want, if they have motivated and they want to, they are thinking of starting in a venture. If anybody, Nitya, you have raised your hand. You want to say something?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was thinking earlier to walk over for my startup, but सबको ऐसा लगता है कि I shouldn't go for it, as because I am not experienced. But after attending the session, I could go for the risk. So मैं अभी confident हूँ, and मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि I should skip the option to become an entrepreneur.
That's very good.
Okay.
Anybody else?
Anybody else? Yes, Dr. Harshvardhan Soni.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, yes.
It is very informative and well-structured faculty development program. And since I am from a department which is more related to skill development, because I teach in fashion design, and I think I'm the only one in this entire group of learners who have joined this FDP. So I joined it for a specific reason, because fashion industry and all the textile allied industries, students are more onto their entrepreneur kind of approach when they join to this program. So this faculty development program really polished some of the information which I was having with me, but it was more strengthened after listening to the experts, and especially to the people who are having much more experience. And I got many of answers which I can further pass on to my students and help them become successful entrepreneurs, especially when it comes to taking decisions, and how to be confident about when you start something. So including communication skills and portfolio development, so many other things. So I'm really happy to
Thank you.
to attend this program.
Thank you. Thank you. Next is, I think, Ritik Meglani.
Good morning to all the chief guests and respected assistant director, sir, Aditya, sir. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you all for organizing such a brilliant program. I learned a lot from the program, and first of all, when I joined this program, when I read the word entrepreneurship with the topic of it, as its topic is skill development for employability and entrepreneurship, I particularly joined the program for that word entrepreneurship, and I learned a lot about entrepreneurship and the skills required for entrepreneurship. And I am looking forward to start my own startup as soon as possible, sir. Thank you. Thank you all for giving me
Very
such
good.
a knowledgeable.
Good. Thank you, Ritik.
Very good.
Dr. Yogesh.
Good afternoon, sir. So this was the first time I saw a program which was both for the faculties and for the students. So let me tell you very honestly, initially I was thinking that how it will be helpful. I mean, because the content is different for the different people. But last 6 days, as a teacher, as a faculty, we also got to know a lot of things that we can pass to the students. The program was very well organized, and surprisingly, all the sessions were on time. I mean, it was brilliant execution by the training and placement team. So I congratulate all of you for that, sir. And it was nicely organized and beneficial for all the participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Aditya ji, your program is very much successful, and you have done a marvelous thing that this is only a unique kind of platform where teacher and students, they were together in a faculty development program. Although the name is faculty development, but students were also participants in this program, and many teachers, those who have attended, I have listened to things only, but they have said so many, but I am focusing on two things that teachers are saying that they will communicate and pass on all these things to their students. So really it has some value. Certainly you would have a content in your FDP, and that was a valuable. That is why they are saying that they will transfer all this information to their student whenever they'll go to their respective departments. Second is the students, those who attended, they learned how the biodata and the resume is to make, and how to put it to the resume to the various companies whenever they will go or apply for the job. Plus, some students are interested and they are going for they are planning for the becoming entrepreneur or set up the startup. I hope much more students will come up, and they will come up with the new idea, because it is hardly a last day, and they are in the FDP. When the FDP will be over and a month will be passed on, certainly they would have a different kind of feeling, and they will come up with the idea. So thank you very much for inviting me, and very best of luck to the students and the participants, the teachers, the faculty members, and congratulations to the training and placement department. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your blessings. Now, in the end of the program, I would like to call Tushar Narwal for presenting the vote of thanks. Sardul Singh, we have one more faculty, Dr. Sardul Singh. He wants to share his. Dr. Sardul Singh.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, Risa, sir, Arya, sir, and all the dignitaries present.
Yes, please.
So I would like to add one thing that, while attending this program, I was in the department for the first day, and during second session, couple of MTech students from our electronics department, they have seen the FDP going on, and after the session, they came up with their ideas, and 3 students are right now preparing for their ideas for incubation center. Depending on the information which is passed on during this FDP, they are so much confident, and they are they are so eager that they wish to start up their own business. This is something which I have felt, and this is the real-time experience which I have seen among the students once they were, they came across the kind of information we had in this FDP. So I believe this is a huge success for training and placement cell, and I believe that more sessions will come up with the same theme and scenario, because this had overall all the information needed at students level, either to prepare themselves for the job or to become, job providers. So I would like to congratulate the entire team which was working on it. Thank you.
हाँ जी, तो फोटोग्राफ्स तो नहीं करनी है आदित्य जी, तो इसके बाद फिर निकले.
Yes, sir. I would like to request all the students to make their camera on.
So in the end, I would like to call Tushar Narwal to present the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Very good afternoon to all, and warm welcome to our Honorable Registrar, Sir, Professor Avnish Verma, for showing his presence and guidance to this session. Providing you all, this session was very much fruitful to all the faculty members and to the students. Guidance which were given by the speakers were marvelous and very much enlightening for all of us. So on the behalf of Training and Placement Cell, it's a gratitude for all your presence, and a warm and respectful thank you to all. Thank you.
Thank you. In the end, we just like to, Nitya, do we have the video?
Yes, sir.
You can, are you able to play the video?
Yes, sir. Rakshanda will be sharing the screen.
Rakshada, you can share the video.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it visible?
Yes. Make it a full screen. Voice is not coming.
Rakshanda, you can do one thing. When the screen is shared, you have view options. In there, you can share one option, that is share sound.
Sir, where is it?
On your screen, it is visible that three options are there. View options, I suppose. When your screen is showing.
So I would please tell me if voice is audible.
Yes. Thank you very much. So now it's time for feedback and the attendance marking, and then I'm putting the online test link in the chat box. There are 30 questions which can be done in like 30 minutes. You have 30 minutes of time. Okay, so I'm starting the test.
So
putting the link.
So I think Dr. Amita ma'am wants to say something.
Yeah, please, yes.
She's raising hand. Please ask her.
Okay. She's here.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, we can. Yes.
It was very nice to hear this FDP, and it was more student oriented, but I also learned many things in it. And I will definitely make my students to learn this, and we will also apply in our institute all these things. So I was very glad to attend this, and thanks to all of you, all the faculty members, for this efforts. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for attending FDP session and making this a successful session.
It was my pleasure, actually.
Thank you. Okay, so moving forward, so I'm putting the test link in the chat box. So I hope everyone has got the test link. Okay, and the feedback link is same. You can give your feedback and mark your attendance out there, and then you can give the test. The test will be closed at sharp 3 o'clock. You can give the test. Okay. Once again, in the end, thank you everyone. Thank you for attending this session and making it a successful session of this FDP AICT sponsored by AICT. Thank you.
Thank you,
everyone.
sir. Thank you very much for a wonderful FDP.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I hope everyone has copied the link, because if